The PwC report shows that although depressed, the JSE-listed mining stocks were buoyed by high spot prices for bulk commodities.
Mining industry has battled over the past 5 years. Prices were down and there was a lot of impairments that were taken by the industry. We've seen that improve as the prices have started to improve as well. So that is positive.
While financial performance improved for the first part of the year, the policy uncertainty had an adverse effect on mining stocks' market capitalization from June.
The charter issues are weighing heavily down on the industry, especially the SA industry. We did see market caps significantly reduce in the month of June as a result of that. It has started to improve subsequent to that. So I think making sure that there's more certainty around the mining industry is something that the industry will need to focus on.
Mining is by its nature a long-term endeavor, and it requires long-term capital planning and investment.
It's a real concern. So clearly our capital investment in the mining industry in the country in nominal terms is at a 10-year low. And that just means that no real investment in new capacity over the last 5 years, even longer. When we look at our deep level mining in the country, then developing a new mine can take up to 10 years once you've made the investment decision.
Illegal mining activity is an issue, with more than $500 million being lost annually, and when compared to the $3 billion in revenue generated by the legitimate miners, the scale of the problem is significant.
It is an absolute concern, and it's essential that the gold industry, along with the various authorities, address the zamazama and the illegal mining. It becomes a safety concern for miners underground. We've seen people die as illegal miners underground. It's an environmental hazard in a number of cases.
The outlook for the sector is commodity specific though.
2022, we see a clear and significant drop-off in platinum supply in the country because of the lack of investment. And there the investment hasn't happened for the last 10 years really.
Some would consider the mining sector in South Africa to be a sunset industry. Others are looking at it as a sunrise industry with some long-term potential. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.